All right, we're talking about what rights you have when you're pulled over. Look, you have every constitutional right guaranteed under law because you're a citizen of the United States of America. When you get an encounter with law enforcement action, that happens to about 90% of the population simply because of the fact that most of us operate motor vehicles. So the likelihood that you're going to encounter a law enforcement officer because of a moving violation is extremely high in the United States of America. That being said, those founders gave you those constitutional rights, but you were also endowed by your creator with common sense. It's a scary encounter for both of you, right? The law enforcement officer does not know that behind the wheel sits a good citizen who might have been going a little fast, might have been swerving, but nothing dangerous is going on. They have no idea who they're about to encounter. Be respectful, read the room, put the window down, turn the ignition off, keep your hands on the wheel. If you feel the need to invoke your constitutional right, you want to talk to your lawyer? By all means, invoke your right to talk to your lawyer. Do it in a respectful, calm, and controlled manner. Raising your voice, escalation, rarely solves problems. It tends to increase the anxiety, the tension. The threshold for a problem, for an eruption, for disruption becomes greater, and the level of intensity is only going to continue to escalate. So in that moment, again, read the room, use your common sense, do what you are asked to do. And if you feel the need that you are compelled to invoke your constitutional rights, do them in a way that is calm, that's controlled, that is calculated, that doesn't have high emotion, because something that we all learn, right? When our emotions are high, we're usually not thinking as well. And that can be just the same what's going on with that law enforcement officer who's worried. Again, total stranger behind the wheel. They don't know you. They need to ensure that you're not out there and that you don't need to be removed. You're not a danger to the public. So give them all the tools they need to send you on your way.